Hi folks, Carmen here at CPA. This is a rush job, just came in. This is a stabilizer bar. There's where it snapped when they were jacking the car up. Wrong, of course. This happened. We've got it all lined up. Now in this situation, with the multi-plas technology, Plasmatron 3 complex, we are going to actually have to do some weld prep here and get a bevel going here, okay? This is 1-inch stock. It's definitely been, fatigued enough to break on a twist shear. So we're going to heal this and then see how it does. The whole object of the game is this: at the end, we do not want to have to do any grinding, so you can put the rubber bushing back over it. Okay, Carmen from CPA. Metallurgic affinity means nothing is impossible. Ciao. Okay, anti-sway, torsion bar system. That broken die rod is now welded, and it'll go on the car this afternoon. And we have some video footage of the weld. Anyhow, suspension, torsion bar suspension, front end, Ford Taurus. This is the sway bar. Came to us broken in half, and now it goes home in one piece. See you later.